the statistics of mutation cases and partition cases has to be maintained by the government as to how many mutation cases are pending before the Mamlatdar and city survey officer, as the case may be, and how many partition cases are pending before collector. This is required because it takes sometimes years together to dispose of mutation and partition. In spite of the fact that law has come now, wherever timely service, etc., I don't know what is the time fix here. So timely disposal of giving services to the people has to be made active in these matters so that people get justice. More importantly is, if government does not appoint one authority, then how are we going to have the single window system we are talking about? Single window system means behind a window, whatever permissions are required, you give here, you will get it here. That is, I have always said, that is not practical. But let us take in these two instances. Even here we don't have that single window system. So let the partition and this thing be at one place. Secondly, ease of doing business. If government wants to achieve the objective of ease of doing business, everything has to be at ease, then this procedure is required.